Omwaka omugavana Simba Arati ekero yang addressi ngani ye chikunzi meagusi and actually Simba Arati eke chikunzi chiko aturwa Simba Arati tigango tebiga kero chikunzi chigwatorwa anene asechinse mugusero ngoro ruitorwa gusi erieta litangani rigo chase akiri abantu abange ne erieta lya Paul Simba Arati because muna wachete asichi siasa chagusi liao erieta lya chiguni lya nyate kaba riko atuka ose ligocha ose abantu abange bakulimanya in Gusii. You are associated with goons, in fact even before you are elected as a governor. Despite that, you are elected overwhelmingly. Ntonyorete oyo kabiro mugavana James Umarigo Ngwae okokana kabisa okoteba ndoroche obonyira bogo chagusi oboisia bwachire gusia. Sorry, not ngotumeka na maskania manene, but I'm quoting the words of the former governor of Kisii County, James Umariba Ngwae. Ekero wachete chiguni chikabanya ekero kwiro bugavana ngopingo kwa lenge kabisa ni serikali yero iyo mheshimiwa William Samoei Ruto n'abantu abange bakagopinga, especially bali baengase serikali, the likes of Osoro, the likes of noye omugumarire brende nole urengazimio akageuka to the other side akaba mbago sabotage, and they even wakadanganya aliyekuwa naibu wako umusikie umolisia Robert Mondonzale mpaka nurochi sayara masakumi. So anybody, Simba Arati, despite the fact that the government was against you and they were using police, you were with your own goons, and your own goons were dealing with them perpendicularly. You were, yani, they were side your government goons, na your goons walikuwa na fight each other, and a lot of lives, I'm sorry, zilipotea. And you know what I'm exactly saying. You own the goons. Kuna watu walikuwa wanatembea Kisii town yabu ni Mioro. Bako lingo ukuwa na Simba Arati bube. Bamo butoli, bamo ngese, bamo chuate, bamo erelie. Bamo butoli kabisa. You are aware of that. Almost ke Simba Arati. You are aware of the goons. The only recently, mwishi yoko ose mwano yoko kobono kuwa ngaina ne ende time tinga ngaki mchezo kimokora. Oko Makumba agachaga kuriranga chigunzi chiao chanyari koba chiko mobutoria, chanyari koba chiko mochuata, chanyari koba chiko moita, chanyari koba chiko moaka. Emioro chinungu chingumi igalie ekero alenge korokananga na agopinga. Akalira sana ase umutandao TikTok umutandao ya online. Tukamarira mabera tukotenga nkeke Simba. Okay, the guy was calling you Simba with the due respect. With the due respect, Mr. Governor. The guy was calling you Simba, and wano omwana yo Makumba agachakalira ase mtandao mgwa. I think you know that, probably you saw that okomurangeria igo akanyaka baka ko butuli kuna chiguni chiao chi associated naye. There is a probability, like there is no probability you don't know. You are the owner of those goons, and the goons are known. Nono mumro ko Makumba, he knows what he was saying because alikuwa anakufanyia kazi, and he knows mboni gata kwane, but he was able to reveal a lot of things. A lot of damage has already happened. Na wako siri ama wana nilikuwa na kuaripia sifa. But chikunzi nyinge chabere chikoba associated naye. Ondebwansi okukwana bobe igagochwatwa igakomorwa na abande banya koba bakuitwa. Nona umuntu nabo kuitwa ikakwe because are against you. Recently there is this mheshimiwa, there is this MCA, I don't remember very well the name, usino ichuni, usino warali akanyaka baka kuitwa muka claim that alipatikana kwa lodge akiwa na bibi ya mtu. I don't want to rubbish anything because I was not there to confirm the claims whether it's true, but it's being said, it is being speculated that your goons intentionally walimu attack because that fellow was going against you, like alikuwa anakupinga, alikuwa against you. That is why alikuwa attacked with your goons, Mr. Governor. Again, chisafari chiago kero gweta ime county ya Kisii County, nkobole nomba liba ku surrounded banyale ko baba ko recruit goons chigunsi echiboni ngasi chinsemo chagusi mwa moisonde ntoro chamangana kore kanete ga aliandereti eyo gotoka ime yabo machoke burabu constituency aso mheshimiwa Badia Barongo ako gamba kwa gendororo together with the area of MCA mukanyara kaba mu organize chigunsi I wasn't there but things from the ground amangana nanyolte from the ground mukaba mu organize chigunsi chikaba chiko attack supporters yo mheshimiwa the area MP nere ubwate chigunsi yae but amangana yo chigunsi because mheshimiwa yo Badia Barongo nango tebekananga nere ndete chigunsi yae ekero nyore tora ira chikura naye kero ore Nairobi nkwarenge koba associated ne chigunsi iko chigunsi nayo introduction je chigunsi gusi nayo the chance you are the one who introduced goonism in Kisii. You are the one who introduced goons as gusi wano ngaki to kora chigunsi echi chisire omheshimiwa Paul Simba Arati because wagusi mpanya kora I didn't use these strong words but abugisa kugito kyo musi ngiabere kabake gotoerera nya China agamba akora abarai kurubukora aba ibuna babu sagini abarai babo buna babu mugunda nyeni abarai no babo bure abagaka babu sami ongeri mugambi buno nkwaya agambi myaka 10 ntwanya kora goonies imeagusi ntwanya kora chise nguna toko chibura buru meagusi in fact to akora ase chiruninga ase tibinga nsemugete ngorwana bakare inki yakogera siasa but buno irobo gambi kwanyare kwa ko introduce chigunsi chagusi na bana turata eti Barongo for example akona goons kwa sababu gani kwa sababu ana feel the governor is also having his own goons ikantu chigunsi yane in case kwa ndebobe chiataka but ngo komia the ground suffers fari wawili wakipigana nyasi tu umia omheshimiwa governor ngakitora akore to serie chigunsi imeagusi ndoma etenga na vera take time because it took you time ko creating into mnyeke group ye konya kisiasa probably ngo konyere kisiasa but on the ground igusinja kaberiga and we are heading in a wrong direction njeraki tora kore chigunsi chichire chiru asense mo yagusi Mr. Governor
Toli Mogeni koruye miake etano on service you know what we have been undergoing you cannot pretending at tomanyeti exactly nga amangana goons Indian state onima bono iga we are trying yan to attempt mpaka tuanyeretire to the level era maskani waro muntu gotareta there is a time ekera abana bago itu town abegete eshat yan umuntu ago itu kwa otigo mwana abaskari baengo protect the goonism bosong lero boche abante bakurwa nagaiga karabarwanire bahabwatu bairukoti and that's exactly what we want to do onyagoko gosero monto on the tayo on above the law. I can remind you there is a young man bako gendie pipieta on kabegete reflector ya Simba akabwato agali kukorigoro akanacho moto dirinta ingo support serikali arenga in place mwevire pinga ngo chikoena ne basa yoka South Mugrango ama saska wako mungwana we muka wako lisasika kwa abande bakabuneka chigun in the name of abaskali jesu bakolet baba position de obisian tin service. Today we are talking about abantu bako kwa saneta kwa watu na mukomonte lodging kwa mnyoki kwa bwatiru no chobo mu MCA osomo jumbe kyaba Simba otoma ebibaga kaki my brother ne chiguni nkolenda na abayibi bako iba mabera nkolenda na abayibi bako iba mafuta ebraktan nkoligerelia na abanyagitali bataite ko iba malio nkolenda. You know, we must demarcate inkitoganda okoraba abantu bakoro ku chigun lere nalenge busia chiguni chiroro korumaro bichiguitana cyasambirana n'ikinyomba kaki nonye chiguni echi how can I associate with all the wounds around? There is a reversal mechanism where abantu baito especially abarai mali kwanza ba konyo ba chiguni mono na ba denga ki konyo romo hivi krai vira como mnyeko chimweno adiria tange no chese kiombe kyaba
Ngayo mheshimiwa Simba yanda ko chigaki.
antu migo
Yes. Mheshimiwa kwa maji ko tosiriria. Mheshimiwa mumo igwete gose ninche na bere bobe.
Makumba fix ya network yo mheshimiwa. Makumba mix ya network.